Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on my channel. So if you're already new, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button because I'm just like that, and why wouldn't you subscribe? It's makeup videos, and plus on melanin skin, so go ahead and subscribe to join the Ari crew or whatever, what y'all see me as. And if you're already subscribed, thank you for coming back to another video, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. So this look I'm going to be doing today is an e-girl look. I'm not really sure what an e-girl is, but like I want to do it because it's kind of my style. Like I like, you know, e-girl kind of reminds me of like anime characters, and like with the blush and stuff, like I like that type of stuff. So I'm going to try to achieve an e-girl look. So if you already know, I already do my brows off camera, like yeah, and I haven't primed my lids still, but I moisturize my lids, and I use the Pixi Rose Ceramide cream before I like apply concealer because it really smooths the application of concealer and makes the eyeshadow application more smoother instead of like clumping up so much like I usually get. And it's also good if you have really dry lids, so get the Pixi Rose Ceramide cream. It's a lot of money, but it's worth it though. I'm going to prime my lids with the Milani 11 Amber foundation and concealer, and the Yak concealer in the shade Fawn. Alright, so I want it to look like that almost, and I'm just going to set my lids if I can find my mirror. Alright, so I'm back, and like I had to wipe all the concealer off and moisturize this, and I'm going to basically do a cut crease, and like I'm using the Yak concealer just to shape Fawn, just to concealer by itself, and I'm just going to shape a cut crease basically. So if you want to watch that, guys. I'm trying to do like a different shape, but like, I don't know how to do that. So I'm gonna try. It's just like, just watch me fail, but like also succeed, of course, cause I'm a winner. Like SpongeBob said. Cause SpongeBob is always a winner, and we're walking SpongeBob today, cause SpongeBob is that nigga. Period. Just for me saying that, I should do a pink and yellow look, just so SpongeBob and Patrick, cause they're my niggas. Period. I'm trying to do a different shape. I don't know how to do it. I'm not artistic. I'm definitely not artistic, cause it's just about to get this for real. So I figure out how can I get a different shape. Now I'm going to set it with a Real Technique sponge because I like it better set with the sponge than a brush. And I've never seen somebody set their cut crease with the sponge, and I feel like I created that. And if I didn't, then sorry for who did, but I've never seen nobody do it. But me, yeah. I'm not trying to take credit, but I'ma just say I'm the one that created setting the concealer, the cut crease with the beach sponge, cause it be smooth and it has a better eyeshadow application. It ain't in my opinion, that's a fact. So hop on the setting the cut crease with a beauty sponge trend. It has to be a Real Technique sponge. I know. I'm just gonna clean up the cut crease with the Q-tip and like just line it around and like give it a sharp little cut like how I did right there. And I'm gonna do it to the same side, yeah. feeling pretty even now, and like, yeah, they seem pretty even, don't y'all think? I mean, doesn't matter, but we're gonna get into it. Okay, so I'm going to do, I kind of want to do purple and yellow now. I mean, pink and yellow now, due to that SpongeBob and Patrick are like the best duo in duo history. But no, we're going to do, I want to do purple and green because I'm goofy and I like the Joker. So what type of purple though? I don't know. A purple, so I'm gonna do a deep purple. This purple is so intense. I like this purple, so I'm gonna go in with the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place and get this very, very intense purple right here. It's so intense because I want this look to be intense, but also soft as well. No, I'm gonna do me. So what brush do I want to use? I'm going in with the Morphe M433 brush. I'm going to get this intense. I should go in with green first, but I ain't having it. Alright, let me see. Alright, I'm gonna do it. Look how intense that purple is. So intense. All that, but I'm gonna come back to it once I get this other eye done. I want to do this green though and like mix it with this green a little bit, so yeah, we're gonna do that. Oh, they ain't turned out bad. yeah. Alright, we got a little bit of errors and imperfections, but I'm gonna go fix them off camera real quick and just stay tuned to the base. So apparently I forgot to press the record buttons when I applied my foundation, which is a bummer, but whatever. But I just used the Maybelline and Black Radiance foundation. The Maybelline foundation is in the shade Cocoa, and this one is in the shade Expresso. Yeah. Well, at least that saved me some time, but it's just applying foundation. Like, what's so big about that? But I'm going to get in with a slightly brighter foundation. This is a Black Radiance one, and this is the shade Cinnamon. So that's why I'm going to go in with a slightly lighter one, the Clinique one, in the shade Caramel. Not too much though. contour using my Black Radiance palette, the cream contour palette. That's how you contour. I don't know. Well, my nose. I don't know how to contour my nose or anybody else's nose because I have a fat nose. I can't make this. I don't know how to make this slim down, but I'm gonna make it work. I'm going for a blush. I'm going in with another Juvia's Place palette, and I'm gonna probably like just mix these two colors, yeah. And we're just gonna blush the hell out of this face. Ooh, it's a little too vibrant. Was not expecting this, but hey, we're gonna give it all. This bomb shade in the James Charles palette called, it's this glittery purple. Yeah. Alright. I'm gonna be back and like get dressed and like put on some lashes and do under eyes and yeah. Okay, so this is the final look. I just popped on some lashes and like I put the opposite color under each eye, which is real cute. I like how I did that. Ugh, pimple. I set my face with the Pixi Rose Mist Spray, and so this is the final look. And I don't know if it's giving e-girl, but like it's kind of giving me Kim Possible vibes for some reason, like Shigo and that blue dude or Joker. I don't know, but it's cute though. And I hope you all have enjoyed this video, and make sure you like this video, comment your suggestions, opinions on this look, whatever what you feel like commenting. Just nothing negative, because if it's negative I will come for you, because I don't play that. And subscribe as well, because I will have more videos. And if you like this hairstyle, it's Flexi Raw set. Not Flexi Raw, it's a perm raw set. It will be linked in the description box. And share this video if you like, and follow me on my socials at my Instagram, my Twitter. Don't really do Snapchat. Don't follow me on Snapchat, but it's gonna be in the description box. And I hope you all will be safe and stay inside. Don't go nowhere. Stay home. And yeah, I will see you all in the next video.